I am 9 years old. I love to watch TV. And that's all. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nika Chief Pablono. I am 9 years old. My hobby is dancing. That's all.
Oh, cute.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Nana Luisa Vargas Rubinos. I'm 5. Meron akong saying.
5? Pariyan ako.
Hindi ka ba? Kasi ang sweet mo. Borders out, I live for better traditions, this is food.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samantha Elenopia. I am 7 years old. My hobby is reading books. That's all. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sophia Beatriz Leila Vasquez. I'm 7 years old and my hobby is playing instruments. That's
Good evening, everyone. My name is I'm 6 years old. I live in the town of exhibitions and associated.
Hi and good evening, everyone. My name is Shanstat Marie Kabungkal Patigi. I'm 10 years old and my hobby is painting and dancing. That's all and thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ayaka Bishikawa. I am 10 years old. My hobby is singing and dancing. That's all. Thank you.
They're going to dance na. Tama na to?